Hello guys, today we're going to talk about love. Love manifesting in countless ways. There are different indicators which show these people are really in love. There is emotional connection, physical attraction, and behavioral changes. In emotional connection, there is deep connection, trust, empathy, intimacy, yes. In physical attraction, there is physical touch, chemistry, body language, and eye contact. And lastly, behavioral changes. In behavioral changes, there is sacrifice, future planning, and prioritization. Mm, Lastly, remember, love is unique in every couple. The most important thing, this sign must vary. So, there must be winning connection